time. You
follow your guy talk. No sabi dey I no sabi. Okay, I don't talk. But yeah, wetin dey put down for you? I no get okay. Wetin dey put down for you? Wetin dey put down for you? Now no play your first game for you. If you no play, make I come out now. Make I go to happen.
No, we no dey talk. No, dey shoot out. Yeah, see, I don't talk.
Listen, I don't drop my phone like this.
Nothing to solve for you.
Listen, I don't plan it to say
okay, my school fees dey here. I go chop una for this place, una money. Play on more play. My school fees dey here, guy. More play something.
You don't return anything.
Play this thing na you be. Wow, my mom alone. Play this thing for this place. You go learn game.
Yeah. No time.
Play this thing.
Yeah, give am. Oh yeah, so burn.
Your money not
Oh yeah.
See the game now.
See now. Check up. Ó ti jẹ owó ẹ̀ now. Ó ti jẹ owó ẹ̀.
I don't chop you.
So wine.
Your money don't go like that. Your
Guy,
school
go
fees.
gbẹ.
I don't chop your school fees.
Carry
like
the
that.
phone, carry everything.
I don't chop your school fees.
Abi I no tell you.
Your school fees don't go like that. You don't chop.
No time, yeah, my body dey hot. Yeah, dey find money. Make I chop una finish for here. Yeah. Yeah, no be the one wey you do the last time. Your ojoro dey. I dey talk my own.
Why? I dropped out of school. Why would I use my school fees to gamble? Why? What would I say to my parents now? What would I tell them? What would I tell everyone that knows I'm in school? 400 level, 4 years wasted. Why?